Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Snapchat ultra wide camera option not showing on your device. Now, if the feature disappears or never showed up at all, this guide will help you solve it step by step. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our method 1, you need to check if your phone supports the ultra wide. Now the ultra wide options only appears on the phones that have an extra ultra wide lens available. So in order to find that, open your phone's default camera application. Then when you switch to the ultra wide or 0.5x, if your regular camera app doesn't show an ultra wide option, Snapchat can't show it either. So if it does show you the 0.5x, then the issue is inside Snapchat. Now in the second method, you just have to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here, use the search bar on the top, then simply look for the Snapchat application. Now if you see the update button here, you just have to tap on the update button and you need to simply update your application. Now sometimes when we are using the outdated Snapchat application, it doesn't show you the camera related details or the ultra wide camera options. So make sure that you are using the latest version of your application. Now in the next method, you just have to simply provide the camera permissions to your Snapchat app. For that, open the settings of your device. In your settings, simply just scroll down, then tap on the option of apps. In apps, select the option of app management. Over here, use the search bar on the top and search for Snapchat. Once you are inside the app info of Snapchat, tap on the option of the permissions and here look for the option of camera. Now once you tap on the option of camera, make sure that it is set on allow, and if it is turned on or if it is on don't allow, make sure that you tap on the allow option. Now simply come back here inside your Snapchat application, simply refresh your app and try to reopen Snapchat and try again. If you need to check if this option is available here or not. If the problem still persists, you can also just simply come back inside the app info of your account. Over here, you just have to go to the option of storage usage. In your storage, simply tap on the option of clear data, then tap on the option of delete. So this is going to basically clear the cache files from your device. Now in iPhone, you just have to simply force close Snapchat and relaunch it. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to fix the ultra wide camera option if it is not showing. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.